Ooh, yes, baby, yes. Call the fucking cops, girl, because I'm about to have a motherfucking heart attack. Excuse my French. Yellow hair? Fuck blonde hair, but yellow hair on Chocolate Sisters? Oh. Bomb, girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for tuning in to my video. I truly do appreciate it. If you are interested in seeing how I achieved this look and you want to know the details about this hair, definitely keep on watching and I will see you at the end of the video, so make sure you make it to the end, okay? Bye. Alright guys, so let's jump right into the specs of this hair. Okay, so the company that I purchased this wig from is called Sapphire Wigs. It's a synthetic wig, ombre, yellow and black, as you saw at the beginning of the video, and it takes up to 230 degrees of heat. The company didn't really leave so much information about the hair, but the link will be in the description box down below. So now let's get into what the wig looks like. This is the wig here. It comes in this plastic bag here, and it comes with your typical wig cap. And then you have your wig. This is the color, guys. So it didn't come with a company card. This wig actually took so long to get to me. It took longer than, you know, most wigs. I think it actually came from China. Yeah, they was holding on to that shit. So this is the wig here. Ooh, bright yellow, girl. And let me just say that the density on this hair, oh my gosh, it's like nice and like thick, full looking. Like I like that, with minus the shininess, but it is synthetic, so beggars can't be choosers. So you flip it inside out. We have your, you know, regular degula. You got the comb in the front here. You have the comb on the sides, and then you have your adjustable strap in the back. And this is all the lace space you get here in the front. And then if you turn it back the other way, this is what your part looks like without any makeup, anything to it. So that's what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna cut and style this wig, and let's give you guys my final review and you give me your final thoughts. Alright guys, so this is the final look of the hair. So how do I feel about the hair? I'm sure at this point you know I love the hair. Like this shit right here. Bomb, okay? Bomb. So this was actually a requested color. I did, at the end of my videos, I always ask you guys, what do you want to see next? And someone requested that I do a yellow color. Wanted to see a yellow color on my Melanin girl. So I was like, you know what? Let's do it. I absolutely love this color. I really underestimated this, but I love this color. I hate ombres. If I'm going to go all in with a color, let's just go all in with the color. But this is actually thumbs up, toes up, for everything up. Like this wig was actually meant to be parted down the middle, but I wasn't really feeling it down the middle, so I ended up shifting it over to the side and cutting it, so therefore I could never part it down the middle again probably, but who knows. The density, like I said, it's not really thin. I feel like the density is actually a nice full density where it gives you like that natural look. It's not like so full what it looks like. Girl, where you going with that costume wig? But it's not like so thin like, girl, where you going with that costume wig? I ended up having to cut the side a little bit because baby girl was acting up. But then it started like flipping out this way. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just get her out of here. Get her out. So now she's in the back. I don't really know about the shedding and all that just yet, but I will definitely keep you guys updated on any and all the wigs that I do. But I want to, you know, wear them enough to be able to give you guys a feedback. I'm not just going to come back and just give you guys a feedback. So I think this about wraps it for the Pastel on Melanin color series. Unless you guys have any other colors outside of Pastel or just any other colors period that you want me to try. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this series. Sorry this video was so late. I was just bombarded with a whole bunch of things and still am. So thank you guys for being patient with me. Also, I want to give a big shout out to all my new subscribers. I'm so excited. Like every time I get a notification someone subscribe, I'm like, I gotta keep going, you know what I mean? So I'm so thankful for all my new subscribers and all those who've been sharing my videos, liking my videos, and just showing so much love. I really do appreciate it because I see y'all. All right guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for making it to the end of this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. How many times did I just say video? Yeah, you know what I mean. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button for updates. Like this video, dislike, whatever you want to do, just show love in some type of way. Hate is still love in some weird way.
Don't even try to tell me nothing. I can see, baby, you're bluffing, saying way too much of something. Tried to wash it away, but I knew, already saw it coming. In between all of the cuffing, something told me not to trust it, 'cause I knew what you were really up to.